friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl and I love decorating with style on a budget. And one of the ways I get inspiration is by going to our high-end stores like the Restoration Hardware Outlet to see what's come in new at the store, if there's anything there that I can afford to buy, which there hasn't been so far. But I just like going to look for inspiration. So if you're like me and you love to see what items have come into your local RH outlet, well, make sure you keep watching because I found quite a few things that were on a heavy clearance. Nothing that I could take home though, but make sure you watch to the end and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you saw anything that you would have picked up. I saw quite a few things, guys, and I almost pulled the trigger on something that you'll see coming up later. So make sure you keep watching. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. And with that, my friends, I'll let you watch the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Like these chairs, $710, so expensive. I actually found something similar to these chairs on Amazon, and I will put up that photo here. You know, I'm always looking for dupes, and I always find them on Amazon. Like this black chair, and it's on clearance for $240. Been here for a while, probably because there's only one. That one's white. This one looks creamy. RH has these lamps, and I am in love with them. You know I love crystal lamps. They're $490. They have the pair, but I like this one better, but they only have one, and it's $390. I wish they had two of those, but they don't. Darn it. I want to get those, but then again, I don't, because I'm not really totally in love with them as much as this one.